Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own lava lamp. Here we go. The first step is to take some oil and put it in a cup just like this. Next we want to take some water, add some food coloring in a separate cup. There we go. And just have it all mixed up. Okay, then the next step is to take it and then just pour it in the cup of oil. Like this. And then now we're gonna take an Alka-Seltzer tablet and put it in the cup. Let's put a couple of them in. And you can see how it's like a lava lamp. So this is how you make your very own lava lamp. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the fun stuff and thanks for watching. See ya!